Pinabulaanan ng aktres na si Nadine Lustre ang quote card na ipinost ng isang unverified entertainment page, na nagsasabing tinatangkilik umano ng aktres ang mirror method. I started using the mirror method. Di ka nila binati nung birthday mo. Don't greet them also. Di ka nila inaya sa gala, wag mo din silang yayain. Di ka nila chin-check. Stop checking on them too. Just give them the same energy they're giving to you. Trust me, life feels light when you do this, nakasaad sa quote card kalakip ang larawan ng aktres. Giit ng aktres na hindi siya naniniwala sa mirror method. I honestly don't believe in mirroring coldness just because someone chose to forget, ignore, or not show up. Para sa akin, hindi mo kailangang suklian ang kakulangan ng iba. Mas mahalaga pa rin na piliin mong maging mabuti, kahit walang kapalit. Naniniwala ang aktres na mas maiging maging mabuti sa kabila ng hindi magandang pagtrato sa iyo ng ibang tao, saad niya if sinaktan ka, and it's gotten to the point where you no longer speak, still, always wish them well. Dagdag pa niya you can cut them off. You don't have to go back. You don't have to reconnect. But you can let go with love. You can walk away without carrying heaviness in your heart.